Crack.
Yep.
You know when we go out to dinner or we go to the pub.
Mm.
You are one to have your little book of jokes sitting in your iPhone and your app.
Yeah, I have an iPhone app.
Yeah, it's cool.
That has jokes in it.
And they are bad jokes.
They're brilliant. They're
not.
Mastermind. Really, there's every single joke you could think of in that book.
I don't know if there is. I don't think it is funny. Sometimes I've had rumours. People have told me they don't tell you to your face because it's rude.
No, they can tell
laugh
me.
along, pity laugh.
They don't, and honestly, they're actually very honest because they come up to me and they say, "Gee, that's funny."
Yeah, they don't. They don't. They don't laugh. They don't laugh like when you're laughing and you giggle. And then there's the person that says, "That's so funny."
Yeah,
but that's what someone says when they're not really laughing.
Yeah, but that means they're genuine. They genuinely that's their personality, and some people don't laugh. They just say that. That's so funny.
No, they don't.
And they say that about my jokes because they genuinely mean it, Jeff.
Oh man, you're in a bubble. It's okay.
Well, my bubble is exciting and fun and vigorous.
And not, lonely. It's a lonely bubble.
Well, maybe then I can prove it to you.
They're as bad as, when you get your Christmas crackers and you pop them, then in the middle there they have those jokes.
Mm.
That's what they are.
That's gold. Without those you wouldn't even have Christmas crackers.
Yeah,
it'd be boring. You get this crappy little plastic toy, and now you get a joke
as well,
and you get to laugh and you get to share it with everyone around the table.
But you're not laughing at the joke; you're laughing at how lame it is.
I don't know about that.
Well, I think you should give us an example.
All right, this is one of my jokes. Here we go.
Okay.
Hey, Gaff, did you know diarrhea is hereditary?
No.
It runs in your genes.
Yeah, right.
It's so funny.
It's almost as bad as there's a mirror in your pocket because I can see myself in your pants. That's
a pickup line.
Yeah, I know, but that's still funny. But it's on the same level.
Don't you get it?
Yeah, but
you probably don't get it.
I
That's what your problem is.
What? There's someone running in jeans?
No, with the diarrhea. You probably don't get it, do you?
No, yeah, I get it.
No, you don't. It's okay.
Maybe, yeah.
Crackles Gafa.
I mean, I'm all for lame jokes. I think they're funny. Dad jokes, I like to call them. But Crackles, he just gets excited and he reels them off over and over and over again.
Yeah, but they're all new. They're all different. Every single one you hear is a new original joke, Jeff.
There's only so much lame I can take. Crack.
Well, that's just, that's personal opinion, and other people enjoy it. They want more. They shower me with gifts of laughter and claps.
Yeah.
After each one, roll off. They're like, another.
Okay, well, I think you should just do one more. Just
okay.
Just to wet the lips.
It's a classroom now.
Okay.
Set yourself in the classroom.
I'm in the classroom at my desk.
There's the teacher, and he's an English teacher, right?
Yeah.
And he's like, right, class, I want someone to tell me what is the longest sentence you can think of. So all the kids in the class sit down and think. One kid raises his hand and he's like, yep, you. And he's like, life imprisonment, sir.
Yeah.
It's the longest sentence ever.
That's a hell smart kid. That is a smart kid. Is that the end of the joke?
Yeah, that's it.
That was kind of peaked and didn't really peak high, did
Life
it?
imprisonment.